Hi there. Recently I came up with some weird idea. And then I did the research and I found some informations about this topic. And this is something that every man has to do. So I decided to give it a shot. How to solve Rubik's Cube in boxing gloves. How to solve Rubik's Cube
in boxing gloves.
We know that gloves are really helpful in many situations.
What a perfect cake!
But sometimes they are just useless. But I wondered, is it possible to solve Rubik's Cube in these bulky guys? Because as Mike Tyson once said, boxing is like swimming, except you're not in water and you have to fight. With this quote, let's jump into it and see what will happen. And these gloves are really stiff and warm inside, which means bakers, watchmakers and carpenters, please stay away from that thing. Coming back to our attempt, I did some useless warm-up and I think it's time to start. To solve the cube, I've used basic layer by layer method with some steps from CFOP method. And the first impression was that it was so damn hard to hold it and twist it all together. And in the previous attempts somehow I couldn't finish the cube and I didn't know why. And that was so frustrating. Then I discovered that I had twisted the corner before and changed completely the cube's composition, so it was impossible to solve it. I had to fix the cube then and solve it again. Here I just finished white cross on the bottom. And solving the cube wasn't easy not only because of the gloves, but also because of the algorithms. Because I don't remember algorithms that much. I just remember the movements of my hands once I have the cube in them. And when you hold the cube like this, it's all messed up. That made me ask myself some dumb questions. Maybe these gloves weren't designed to solve the cube? Maybe just hands will do fine? I don't know. Visibility of the cube is also limited, which makes it harder to solve. And you can't rotate it the way you would normally do this with your hands. Finally, I finished 2 layers with cross on the top of the cube. And here, one last step was to switch the corners of top layer and rotate them. And that's how I wasted 6 minutes of my life that no one will give me back. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe.